Wow, that sandwich was 10 out of 10. Also, I got these cute new pants. I love them because they're like a stripe detail. I'm pretty sure they're 100% cotton, but they're like this really nice thick material. Feels like very high quality. I got it on sale at H&M. I got these for like $15, so they were a score. It is July 4th and we were gonna go watch the fireworks, but it is so foggy right now. We can't even see like more than 5 feet out our window. I don't even know how people are gonna see the fireworks. And I feel like a lot of people came out to see the fireworks from the suburbs and it's so foggy. This was a very uneventful 4th of July. Honestly, I don't mind it at all. I enjoyed myself at home, and now it's time to get ready for bed. So I just finished up my skincare and I've been loving this one product from Medicube. So if you're looking to even your skin tone, brighten your skin tone, have an overall more radiant complexion, I highly recommend that product. It has made my skin look so much better. When I wake up in the morning, my skin looks so plump and dewy and it looks so bright. So I highly recommend this, and this will definitely be a staple in my night routine. Hello and good morning, everybody. Okay guys, so lately I have not been feeling like myself. I don't know if it's because this past weekend it was rainy all weekend, did not see the sun, so we stayed in, didn't really go outside, so I think that's what's attributing to like my brain fog. But yeah, so in today's video I just want to do some things that will help me make me feel like myself again. Okay, so I'm just gonna clean up my apartment a little bit because she is a little messy and it is just not a pretty sight. So this is the current situation. My whole living room area situation is just not looking very cute. So we're gonna do that because I feel like when I have a cleaner, more organized space, my headspace just feels better and my overall mind feels clearer when I have a clean space. So we are gonna do that right now. It's so pretty outside today. See this view? This is exactly what I needed. Some sunshine, blue skies, blue waters. Such a beautiful day today.